Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I will show you how to earn money in Vimeo. Let's start! Okay, so did you know that Vimeo, guys, this is something that I just recently learned. It's actually, a play. Did they play with the video in me, Vimeo, right? It's so cool. And it's actually, a very popular platform for high quality videos. And I think this is where, they beat YouTube because of their high quality. I think you can watch even up to 8K here that something that you cannot watch in YouTube. Anyway, there's tons of way for you to earn money here. You could either you like sell your content, or rent your content can be rented, or you could sign up with their pro plan where it allows subscribers to your video. So say for instance, if you have a video, if you have a content, and then you upload that, and then you'd be able to reach 1 million views. I think Vimeo is very generous when it comes to paying you. However, there's also what they're known for. This is their Vimeo.com/on demand. When you actually publish, or you have your videos here, or your content, this is where subscribers or customers could actually buy. And there's also other ways, or tips, or so strategies rather, that the content creators can monetize, because there's a part here wherein they could either subscribe, they pay on a monthly basis for your video, or they could actually just pay you, one off. And how are you going to do that? Well, if you're on the basic, basic plan, of course, there's so many things that you cannot do. It's very limited. But I would say that if you want to earn more and really, optimize and earning money in Vimeo, then you'd go to their pro plan. So you could actually go to, so when you go to their page, so if you have a Vimeo account, you can just click on upgrade. Or if you're on demand, you can just click on upgrade. And this is where you could actually see, the difference. But if you would actually go to their premium plan, they have a long list on what they could do. In terms of in terms of your account, there's so many things that they can do that other plans don't have. So say for example, virtual events and live streaming. So this is perfect. So if you actually go to like concerts, if you're authorized, you're allowed to actually put content in there, and there's a lot of people who would be able to watch. I think that's also a best way for you to earn money. Although starting from pro, you could also earn money by selling your videos directly to your fans worldwide. So if you want to learn more for Vimeo in terms of monetizing your content, you could definitely go to Vimeo.com, and then just click on upgrade, and you'll be able to see and get more information from here. So please subscribe to our channel, guys, and if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.